This is Lucy, owned by Tom Hart in Pierre. Tom, we're going to do a little shotgun work here with some dippers and then some clippers. Okay, hunt him up, hunt him up, hunt him up. Good girl. Come. Good. And we'll go to a double shot here. Let's see, she's excited, Tom. That's what we want. Okay, hunt him up, hunt him up. Good girl. Come. Atta girl, loose. Come. See even there, see her look out there. When she heard that. And for her, it was like, yeah, I know what something like that means. Now we're going to go to clipper. Hunt him up, hunt him up. Good girl. I got another one. Come. Those chuckers like to run under stuff. We'll try another clipper here, Tom. You can see how excited she is to go. Hunt him up, hunt him up. Good. That took a little bit. Come. Atta girl. Good girl. Just back up, get her a longer retreat. So now we're going to switch to some flyers.